So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the View tab. Now you want to find Display File icon on thumbnails. Make sure that you tick this. Make sure that you have this box ticked and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Edit Group Policy. Click on it. And then once you're on this, under User Configuration, you want to expand Admin Templates. And now you want to expand Windows Components. And now you want to find File Explorer. Here it is. You want to click on File Explorer. And now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, we're going to click on Setting right here to sort this by alphabetical order. Now we're going to find Turn off the caching of thumbnails in hidden Thumbs.db files. So we're going to scroll down until we find this right here. Turn off the caching of thumbnails in hidden Thumbs.db files. Now once you find this, you want to double click on it. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you want to select Enabled and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restore your computer. And then that's how you do it.